Good morning, students. This is KK Bhatt here, your English teacher of class 10th from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Dear students, in the first video, I have explained the poem of class 10th, CBSE, first flight, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Custard the Dragon. Here, case in opposition has been used. It means custard, the dragon are the same. There is no difference between those. Custard is called the dragon. Dear students, just I am going to explain the poem. First you see, this poem is written in the style of ballad. Ballad it means a song or poem that tells a story. The tells a story. If we take it from our own tradition, dear students, have you heard Biraha or Kaharwa in your localities? In that particular song, there is a story that has been sung by a person which we called Biraha or Kaharwa. As same as in English, when a song sung by to tell a story that is called ballad. I hope it is clear to all what is ballad. You must be familiar with ballads that narrates tales of courage or heroism. This poem is humorous, ballad close to a parody. This poem just near to a parody. Parody it means where through our song, through our uh, imagination, when you create a taunt toward the society. Dear students, taunt it means what you gain, what you gain. Just you see that people said something and taunt against the society through the song that is called parody. Or we can understand it when comment mixed with compliment. Now see here the first stanza of this poem. Belinda, a little girl who lived in a little white house. Belinda lived in a little white house. It means Belinda, a little girl who lived in a little white house with a little black kitten. Kitten it means you know well that baby of kitten. Its name is and also have a pet animal which is mouse that color is grey. We understand kitten that color is black and the mouse that color is grey. And a little yellow dog. It means she also has a pet animal that color is yellow, that is a dog, and a little red wagon. Red wagon it means that is a small van used for to bear the load. That is this word that so that the Belinda is a little girl because she has a little wagon where she kept her dolls and a Relio trillion. Here the poet just used to create the rhythm. It means relio. There is no word relio. Relio means real. Trillium means true. Little pet dragon. She also has a little pet dragon. It means she has 4 pet animals. The first is a black kitten. The second is a grey mouse. The third is yellow dog, and fourth is a dragon. Now see the second stanza. Now the name of little black kitten was Ink. Now that girls gave the name of those pets, as we also have the name of our pets as same as Belinda also kept the name of the pet. She called kitten as Ink. And the little grey mouse, she called little grey mouse as a blade. And the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. She compared the color of the dog, that is why she kept the name of the dog Mustard. But the dragon was a coward. Coward, that is sense lazy, fearful personalities. That is why she called him Custard. You understand? Dragon was coward. She full of fearful. She is fearful. He is fearful. That is why Belinda called him Custard. I think it is clear. Now you can see the third stanza. Custard dragon had big sharp teeth. Here, in this particular stanza, the poet described the real figure of custard. We can say here that uh, what way we can recognize a custard or a dragon. Custard, the dragon, had big sharp teeth. What type of sharp teeth? See, it has big sharp teeth. Spike, that is on top. It means when you see a dragon and closely observe on the top of its body, we can find a shape like knife. Shape like knife. That is here writer use here spike, और we can say कांटे. कांटा समझते हो, जैसे कांटेदार मतलब होते हैं उसके बॉडी पे कांटे टाइप निकले रहते हैं ऊपर, ठीक है, बने रहते हैं. तो यू कैन इफ यू हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन यू कैन सी द स्पाइक through the figures and scale underneath. And what is the condition of her lower bodies? It means underneath, जो नीचे का हिस्सा उसका है वो कैसा है. Scales hard. It means the under body of dragon was hard. Is hard. It is clear. Mouth like a fireplace. It means you know what is the meaning of fireplace, जिसको आप भट्टी कहते हो. तो his mouth look like as a fireplace. And the poet just compare its mouth with fireplace. It means here you can see simile has been used by the poets. Chimney for a nose. If its mouth is like fireplace, then undoubtedly we can compare the nose with chimney. The nose with chimney. Aurelio Trillo. Again word Aurelio Trillo. It means really and truly. Draggers on his toe. What is the shape of his toes? Toes जो अंगूठा उसका है उसका shape कैसा है? Like dagger, like खंजर, knife. So that is very dangerous. It means its toe is also very dangerous. It can cut any type of things. I hope, dear students, you understand the three stanza. Now see the fourth stanza. Belinda was brave as a barrel full of beer. Here the poet used hyperbole. Because a little girl Belinda can't as brave as the barrel full of beer. Barrel full of beer, you know barrel, that is a type of, you can see a gun, the iron metal in long shape. That is called barrel full of beer. But here the poet compare word use bears. Bears means you know भालू, यानी भालुओं का झुंड. She is as brave as a gang of bears, a group of bears show the energy. जैसे ग्रुप में जितने कोई भालू हैं जितनी ताकत होती है या बैरल जितनी ताकतवर होती है उसकी ताकत की तुलना जो पोएट्स है वो कर रहा है बेलिंडा के ब्रेवनेस के कंपैरिजन. वो कह रहा है बैरल आर फुल बेयर से. नाउ सी रियर एंड इंक एंड ब्लिंक चेस्ट मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड चेस go followed the lion down the stair. Yani under the stair, down the stair, ink and blink, chased like that. Here is also used hyperbole as well as metaphor. Ink and blink, both chased like that. Chase like that, both chase like that. What lion? Which means as they runs as like that they chase the lion. And Master was brave as a tiger in the race. Here is also used hyperbole. It means poet said that uh, mustard, that is the eloda. He was as brave as figure of speech, hyperbole as well as simile, because as are used here. As brave as tiger, a tiger in the race. You know, race angriness. When you see a tiger become more dangerous when become angry, it means the power, the angriness of mustard does compare with the tiger. But mustard cried for a nice safe case. You know that. Mustard a dragon that was a coward. Here the poet said that that was coward. That is coward, coward. That is why he always want to save himself in a case. In a case. Here the social taunt. You can see here, poet use a social taunt. Really, those animals are boasting, those showing their self that they are more. Uh, Brave, powerful. That is why the poet used them as that. Now, the student, you can see here, Belinda tickled him. टिकल का मतलब आप समझ सकते हो, गुदगुदाना, ठीक है. टिकल्ड हिम, शी टिकल्ड हिम मर्सिलेसली विदाउट एनी काइंडनेस. It means because in the heart of Belinda there is a sense of insulting, humoring to dragon, or we can say that when we neglect others, we behave very mercilessly, we behave very kindlessly. That is why here Belinda just behave with dragon very kindlessly. Belinda tickled him as she tickled him mercilessly without any kindness. Ink, blink, mustard, they rudely called him Percival. These are the Percival, that is a taunt, that is a comment, that is a taunt name. As you give a name to those person or those people to whom you want to insult, just compare that person whose history is not being good. So that is was here ink, blink and mustard. They roughly behaved with him and called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon. They are playing with little red wagon. They are happy and they are boasting themselves before Belinda. Belinda is also happy with these animals. That is why they play. They play and sat laughing in a little red wagon. They are enjoying and playing with little red wagon. As at the really cowardly dragon. Really, dragon was coward. That is why they called him coward, and also called him Percival. Now see the next stanza. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. Here the writer again used hyperbole. He said that Belinda giggled. Giggle means laugh. Giggle means laugh. Till she shook the house. It means Belinda laughed as much as she just compelled to shake the house. यानी वो इतना ज़्यादा हंसती थी कि वो घर को, मतलब इतना हंसती थी कि उसके हंसने से जो घर है वो हिलने लगते थे, उसके जो हाउस हिलने लगता था. एंड ब्लिंक सेड विक, दैट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ साउंड विच इज़ गिगलिंग फॉर ए माउथ. दैट इज़ also indicating about mouse laughing. As mouse start laughing, just he used wick. Ink and mustard rudely asked his age. You know well that these are all animals just using and insulting dragon much. That is why you can see here ink and mustard both asked his age with rudely. When Custard cried for a nice case, when Custard just cried and asked from them, he want to hide in the nice safe case. There, you can see here that Custard is also very genius, because where they lived with Belinda as ink, blink, mustard. Custard thought that this place is not safe for them. That is why here the poet used that he indicate and make them attentive that this place was not safe for them. That is why he always used for a nice safe case. But it means he want that everyone leave this place because this place is not safe for them. Suddenly they heard a nasty sound. That is not a good sound. Nasty, that is not a good sound. That is rough sound, regularly sound. और वी कैन से दैट एक भद्दी आवाज़ आना जो कानों को अच्छी न लग, दैट इज़ इंडिकेट अबाउट द डेंजरस, जो खतरे को इंडिकेट करती हो. तो नेस्टी दैट इज़ अ वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड हियर, a sound which is dangerous, that indicates about the something going to be wrong. Suddenly, they heard a nasty sound. They means all. As Belinda, ink, blink, custard, mustard, everyone just heard a sound. And mustard growled. You know well that a dog has sixth sense. That is why he realized the sound first. So thus he started to growling. And they all looked around, and every animal just was care the sound, where from the sound has come. So they are attentive to observe the sound. Mews cried in, that is indication of mew. You अगर आप mew को देखते हो बेटा तो mew यहाँ पे क्या है? That is a sound of a animal. Ig. It means here writer use onomatopoeia. अगर आप फिगर स्पीच की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ राइटर क्या यूज कर रहा है? ओनोमेटोपोइया, बिकॉज दैट इज इंडिकेट अबाउट द साउंड. सो हियर पोएट यूज ओनोमेटोपोइया. एंड ऊ क्राइड बेलिंडा, दैट इज ऊ, दैट इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ साउंड, वी कैन कॉल्ड इट ओनोमेटोपोइया. फॉर देयर वाज अ पायरेट. For it means here the for it means because. The for is used as a conjunction which sense is because they are, why they are crying, they are worried, they are growling, because there was a pirate means sea robbers. एक ऐसे डाकू समुद्री लुटेरे होते हैं जो अक्सर जहाँ समुद्री जहाज़ों को लूटने का काम करते हैं. डेट इज कॉल्ड पायरेट. For there was a pirate climbing in the window. Window here is used for rhythm. It means window. It means window. Window को क्या कहोगे? Window कहोगे. Window is just used to create a rhythm or rhyme scheme. That is why here Belinda window. Pistol in his left hand. Here the poet described the pirate. What is the character of pirate? In which appearance he looked? In which appearance he looked there? Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right hand. It means pirate has two gun in both hand. Two gun, two pistol. Two gun and two pistol. Firearm भी कह सकते हो आप. तो pistol two मतलब pirate has two guns in both hands, and he held in his teeth a cutlass. यू कैन से कटलेस अ टाइप आप स्वॉर्ड कह सकते हो, तेज धार वाली कटार कह सकते हो आप. तो ही हेल्ड इन हिज टीथ, ही काट इन हिज टीथ अ कटलेस अ स्वॉर्ड ब्राइट. हिज बर्ड वॉज ब्लैक. बियर्ड आप समझते हो, बियर्ड मीन्स दाढ़ी होती है, उसकी दाढ़ी कंपेयर कर रहा है. दाढ़ी कैसी उसकी है? ब्लैक. वन लेग वॉज वुड एंड ऑल्सो हिज वन लेग वॉज वुड. उसका एक जो लेग है वो कैसा बना है बेटा? That is also for lake, wood. It was clear that the parrot meant no good. The arrival of the parrot was no good. It is clear through his arrival that he went there. It may be to kidnap the Belinda or harms others. So dear students, I hope it is clear to all. In the next video, I will explain the rest part of the poem. Thanks to watch my video. I hope you will like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks to watch my video.